How you doing, guys? Chris here from Divergent Drones. Well, we had a big break come this weekend. We got a couple of leaked photos of the new GoPro Hero 10 Black. Not only did we get an image of the camera, but we also got the box, which includes some of the specifications and features that we've been waiting for. So I went ahead and pulled up the GoPro Hero 9 box, and we're going to do a side-by-side comparison to look at some of the new features that the GoPro Hero 10 has to offer. Since the exterior construction of the housing is the same, the lens modifications will also be the same. We'll have to wait till September to take a look at the new lens modifications. So the GoPro Hero 10 offers 23 megapixels for photos, as the GoPro Hero 9 only offered 20. I believe this is an increase of the capability of the current sensor and not an improved sensor. I directly contribute this improvement to the new processor. I also associate the improved image capturing capability from 5K to 5.5K at 60 frames per second due to the new processor. Many of you will be excited that the GoPro Hero 10 has a new iteration of HyperSmooth 4.0. GoPro claims that HyperSmooth 4.0 gives you gimbal-like performance. But many of you just use Real Steady Go for post-production stabilization. Other features like the water resistance, the voice control, and the 8x slow motion are carried over from the GoPro Hero 9. And those of you who use the GoPro for live streaming will be excited that you get 1080p quality. We'll be getting our hands on one soon, so stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.